Here I have Alcatel One S2021, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your internet browser, which you normally use. Then you have to tap here, go to the history section, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. Could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the all time. And then you have to pick the data format which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.